after you have your table all the way filled in, we're going to fill out our graph. Being able to share your results is a very important part of the scientific method. Okay? Creating and analyzing graphs is one of those proficiencies to achieve a 3 in this entire unit. So if you're looking to earn a 3, you need to be making really clear, concise information in your graph. Being accurate is very important. So this is going to be awesome practice for you guys. This is a lot of information that you're going to be graphing. Okay? So you'll notice the graph has a title. Both the x-axis and the y-axis are labeled. And there's one section of bars for resting, one for walking, and one for running. In this section, I have every single person's information on my table. So this is one person's heart rate resting, another, all of my group members' resting heart rates, and then our average. Okay? All of my group members' walking heart rate, and then my average. And all of my group members' running heart rate and our average. You need to make sure you're labeling what they are. Up in my table, in case you didn't notice, I labeled the names, person 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That way I didn't have to write their names down here. You can do that same thing. You do not have to use the same colors on your graph as I did, but you do need to use the same color for each person. So if this is person number 1 in their resting trials, I need to make person number 1 blue in their walking trials as well. Okay, that way it's nice and easy to see, okay, this person went from here, then their heart rate was up here, and now went up to there. Okay? Are there questions on graphing your information? These numbers on the side, you can go up by however many you want. You just need to make sure that your top number is bigger than your greatest heart rate. So if someone in your group has a heart rate of their running heart rate is greater than 200, you need to go up by more than 10 every time, okay? Does that make sense? Does everybody know what information needs to be on your graph? I will leave this up here so when and if you get to this part today, you can use it as reference. I strongly encourage you not to just copy it. This is going to be something you're going to have to do on your scrimmages and games, so it's good practice to try and go through it on your own and only reference this when you need help. If you need more help than this caliper, raise your hand and I'll come help you, okay? Graphing is something that you're going to do for a long time. Okay? You and your partners can pick up right where you left off yesterday. If you guys have questions,